Welcome back to Robyn's Academy. Today we're diving into the mysterious world of histograms, okay? And trust me, this is not as scary as it sounds, and you definitely need to know this. So before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you never miss out on our awesome photography tips. Learning to read your histogram is like having a photography light bulb moment. It guides you to capture scenes in the right amount of light, ensuring that your photos are Instagram ready every single time. So I know what you're thinking, histograms look like a bunch of mountain ranges with weird shapes, but fear not, because understanding them is the key to unlocking the secrets of exposure. Now, if you ever take a photo and think it's perfect, but then you look on your computer and it's either too dark or too bright, well, that's where your histogram comes in handy. And yes, you can even find these on your phone. Imagine a histogram as your DJ equalizer of exposure. On the left, we have the shadows, the deep bass, and in the middle, the mid-tones, the smooth melody, and on the right, the highlights and the high notes. Balancing these elements is crucial for a well-exposed shot. So, why should you care? Well, imagine that you're at a concert. If the bass is too low, it's a snooze fest, and if the highs are too screechy, it's a headache. But when it's perfectly balanced, that's when the magic happens. The biggest thing with histograms is there are many settings that you can set so you can avoid things like clipping, which is where it basically tells you when you've peaked too high on those, and it will show you in your photo exactly where the problems are, allowing you to correct it there and then instead of being incredibly disappointed when you get back. Trust me, it's worth it. Comment below with your histogram success stories and questions, and let's create a community of awesome photographers. Till next time, stay inspired and remember, histograms are your best friend in photography. See you later.